Simplify. The quantity 4p divided by 5q cubed, all squared. In this case, this exponent needs to go on each factor of the numerator as well as each factor of the denominator. So this is equal to 4 squared times p squared divided by 5 squared and q cubed squared. That's going to be equal to 4 squared is 16, p squared is just p squared, divided by 5 squared is 25. And when we raise an exponential expression to a power, we multiply together the two powers. 3 times 2 is 6. So our final answer is 16p squared divided by 25q to the 6th power.